Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel again, and I think many of you have requested in comment section that please make a video on CGI and how much compensation freshers get and what kind of company, and is it better for fresher or not. So these are the questions which I will be answering here in this video. So stay with me guys. So okay, let's talk about this Canadian IT company. You know, this is not an Indian like Infosys, TCS, Wipro, and so on. Okay, so let's directly jump into the salary slip. But before it, let me tell you about that one of my colleague who actually switched from CGI to Atos, where I am currently working. So earlier, before Atos, I was working at Infosys. I joined Infosys as a fresher, and after some 3 year of experience, I switched to Atos, where I am working, and uh, so yeah, so I got a lot of feedback from CGI, from a colleague who actually earlier working in CGI. Now he's working with me in Atos. So yeah, so the salary structure which I'm going to show you uh, uh, is the real one basically. So when you will join as a fresher in CGI, so uh, okay, before concluding this salary, I think so CGI guys, when you join as a fresher, uh, it will train you for 2 to 3 months. Okay, in a all those technology. So first, you will be selected for whichever stream. It could be a .NET, Java, PLSQL testing or whatever. And then after 2 months of the this basically stream training, you will get you will get your next KT, basically a knowledge transfer or another training while working uh, for any client. So that will be a kind of on the job training. So so I think for a fresher, I think this is a very good start, you can say. Like the for Infosys as well, we have got this 3 to 4 months of training, and then we switched back to basically a project from this training period. So okay, so while I'm saying this about the CGI, so you can see here the salary structure. Basically so if you have if you are hired, for this 3.25 package in CGI, then if you calculate it, so their breakout will be something like this. You can see here 15,000 and then HRN and all PF gratuity. So but yes, if you deduct this PF gratuity, then and some professional taxes, then your in hand will be some uh, around 24,132 and then 23,000. So so the colleague which I am talking about, when he was working in CGI, so he was getting somewhere around 23,000 uh, after the training. So yeah, this is how the salary structure is. And yeah, and I already told you that the training. So if you are a fresher, and so let me tell you the interesting story of my colleague who actually were noob in IT, and he is from electrical background. He joined CGI as a fresher. He wasn't aware of any of, he was completely fresher, completely noob guy. So I mean, as, as I got a feedback from them, he said for a fresher, he will in CGI you will get a lot of training from scratch. So you don't need to worry. So it doesn't matter where you are starting. If it's your salary uh, in between 25 to 30K, and you are joining as a fresher, that's okay, fine. But yeah, you should focus on first learning all these things in IT, and then yeah, then I think your growth can be much higher. Like in my case, I joined Infosys and then I switched back to Atos, and there I am getting somewhere around 65K. So after 3.5 years, so I think it's okay, and it's a great good to be. Uh, so yeah, and so yeah, this was all about the CGI, and you will after this, I think you, if you are watching this, I can assume that you must have a letter of intent from CGI, and you will be joining in Hyderabad uh, CGI campus. You can see here. So I mean, yeah, all the best for your future if you are going to start your journey in IT industry. So yeah, and my advice would be like go and learn. So because in IT industry everything is about learning, how fast you can learn. Because like so you have started working for one client where the demand was like uh, for let's say UI, you are working in a using a JSP assembler technology. But again, let's say your project changed, now you have to work in Angular, then you have to work. You can't say that okay, I can't do this because I have been trained in Angular and JSP. No, you cannot say. So that's how IT industry is dynamic, and you have to be very enthusiastic and energetic to learn anything any point of time. You have you have to. So yeah, so welcome to the IT industry if you are going to join the CGI. And yeah, enjoy the journey, enjoy the IT. I think it will be fun. And don't worry if you are starting uh, your salary somewhere between 25 to 30K. It's okay, it's completely fine. Your learning curve and your earning curve can be much better. So yeah, so thank you guys, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this. Thank you.